Hey everyone, how are you all? So I qualified the interview of N company and finally came here to do job. And company provided me this room, you can see. Okay, 5x पे करता हूँ. Yep. Here is a TV. Anything I can order from here. This one, I can order anything. Anything means anything. Jug, cold drink, and yeah, bed. So this is fully furnished room. Here I can stay and sit and study. This is a window. I can see sunrise from here. But let's close the curtain. And yeah, this is Almira. I can showcase my things here. And this is balcony. Luxurious. This is washroom. So this is luxurious balcony and see the look. Morning view. Finally, Jaipur vibes. Okay. Let's go in.